Hey there, it's Jill, a Texas gardening gal. So I'm getting pretty excited because I'm about to start a water feature and I want to share with you the parts that I have to it so far and what I have to still get. So this just got delivered to my door, so I'm pretty excited to get this set up, the small pond filter urn. This is what is going to cause that nice trickling sound. There are two sizes to this. It says small, but it's pretty good size. There is a larger size also available. So once I put the small pond filter urn in my cart, and you scroll down on Amazon a little bit, I want to say it uses the wording other people have bought or recommendations, something like that. It had these, the water pump and this tubing within that area. So I decided, why not? I'm gonna buy it anyways. I might as well get it all at once. So Ultra 400 water pump and then the tubing. So I have that. And then lastly, I purchased this larger pot. I do plan on keeping this in more of a shaded area, probably where it's around where it's at now. And I will put goldfish in here. And then what I plan on doing is taking some of that fish water and then every so often using that fish water to water my plants with. Now, this is maybe a temporary container or pot. We'll see. I might get something larger down the road. Lastly, the things I need to purchase yet are rocks to cover the bottom of the pot. And then I would like to buy some live plants so it looks pretty. Plus, to have shelter for when the goldfish are there. There's the shelter on top of the pot so you just don't look down and all goldfish. So thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Hit that subscribe button and follow my gardening journey. Bye.